Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn off the game voice chat on your PlayStation 5 in any game. So what you can do is press the PlayStation button and then scroll on over to where it says sound right here. And I'm going to turn off muting. Then what I want to do is go on down to mute voice chat. And this will turn off the game chat in any game. If you turn this on, your voice won't be heard and you won't hear the voices of other players. This setting isn't applied to parties, so you can be in a party chat talking to other people. So you can turn this on. Also, another thing that you could do is go on over to the game base and simply start up a party. So you can do an open party or a closed party. Then when you're in a party, you will not hear the game voice chat whatsoever. So I'm just going to join one of my friends. Now I am good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.